cease to exist in their current format. This will be done in a phased approach. They will now be repurposed to be part of the Gauteng Traffic Police and Special Law Enforcement Units, SLEU, and other strategic security partners that will work with them. To do so, they are now taken back to training to enter into an extensive and intensive training for the next 18 to 36 months so that they can qualify to be part of the Gauteng Traffic Police. Those who can qualify for this training will be assigned to various municipalities for bylaw enforcement or the provision of security services in various government departments after acquiring the necessary training.
So that is Panyaza Sophie there disbanding his Gauteng traffic wardens. So this came after General Mkhwanazi exposed that unit is illegal. So I still remember when General Mkhwanazi said that they were illegal. Those traffic wardens, they came in and responded and said, no, Mkhwanazi is wrong, we are not illegal. But finally, Panyaza Lesufi has swallowed the pill, and has disbanded this unit. So Panyaza Lesufi, I'm sure he sees now what it feels like, to have your unit to be disbanded. So another thing, as you heard there, being said by Panyaza Lesufi, is that those guys are going to be trained so that they can be put into certain various departments. It's really amazing and surprising how these guys were not even trained to be doing what they are currently doing, but they were there on the ground working. And another interesting thing, is that so all those guys, who were arrested by these Amapanyaza, it seems as if the arrests were unlawful because these guys were not supposed to have been there in the first place. So it's now a question of were those people's rights violated, because these guys were not lawfully on the ground. But anyway, this is the damage control that Panyaza Lesufi is doing, but at least he is now going in the right direction, and it's all thanks to General Mkhwanazi. I'll catch you guys on the next one.